Okay, a Blu-ray collection consists of 9 comedies and 7 horror movies. Give an example of a question for which the answer is 16. So let's start there. Well, we got 9 comedies, and we got 7 horror movies. And we're looking for 16, something that gives us 16. Well, right away, what jumps out at me is that 9 plus 7 gives me 16. So adding the two numbers together gives us that. Well, we've seen with the additive principle that the plus, and there's certain restrictions that have to be true for this to be put in here, but the plus becomes an or. So the 9 or 7. Now the 9 refers to our comedies. So comedy or a horror. Now specifically, this says that we're going to watch one movie. It can be a comedy or horror. Of course, it can't be both. So there's no movies like House. That was a horror movie and kind of a comedy. So that's why I say there's certain restrictions that have to be true here. They're distinct. And we're gonna watch one movie. We're not gonna watch two movies. So you can't watch Friday the 13th, and then the next one you'll watch is Caddyshack. The implication is one movie. So watching one movie, it's gonna be comedy or horror. Okay, B. 63. Well, again, um, pretty obvious that 9 times 7 gives you 63. So that's a multiplicative. And again, there's restrictions on that. But the multiplication sign becomes an and. The 9 represented the comedies. Um, okay. Now the implication here is that we're going to watch two movies. Um, again, we're running on some assumptions that it can't be a comedy and horror at one time. So we got one movie here. We're gonna watch first. Watch like Caddyshack, and then our second one will be a horror movie, like The Shining. So again, watching two movies, one after the other. First one's a comedy, and then the second one's a horror. So now that obviously isn't the only things that would give us 16 and 63. Those are just the easiest and based upon what's in this section.